Enikunutu ka kese, it means dance with your waist. You all know, as Ijaw women, we have a thing with our waist. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So this is the part 3 of common phrases in Izon language. Well, I've been getting lots of comments from my part 2 and part 1 of common phrases in Izon language. So this is the part 3, and we'll be focusing on body parts in Izon language. Meanwhile, if this is the first time you are seeing this face, please don't make it your last, okay? Join the family, and if you end up enjoying this video, if you learn anything from this video, do also give it a big thumbs up, okay? And turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if you're not new, hi love, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate all your support. With that, let's get right into the video. Now, when we were much more younger, we always sing this song: my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. So we are definitely going to start from the head, okay? Now, what is head in Izon language? Head is tebe. Now, common phrases with tebe. Enindubafa tebebe. It means with your big head. Don't want to tell somebody enindubafa tebebe. Okay. Enindubafa tebebe. It means with your big head. Duba is big. So when you just know that, even if you can't say everything, or just know that somebody say Duba and tebe, it means big and head. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is forehead. What is forehead in Izon language? Forehead is okoto. Okoto. Alright. Now to our next word. What is hair in Izon language? Hair is tebedumu. Phrases with hair. Emenemu eni tebedumu papuno. It means I want to go and have a haircut, or I want to go and cut my hair. Okay? It means why is your hair scattered? It means why is your hair scattered? Okay? Our next word is I. What is I in Izon language? I is toru. Phrases with toru. Ene bifa torube. It means with your beautiful eyes. Eni toru gba. It means close your eyes. Eni toru gba. Close your eyes. Eni toru fini. Open your eyes. Eni toru fini. Open your eyes. Okay? Our next word is nose. What is nose in Izon language? Nose is nini. Phrases with nini. Be tubo nini be ebia. It means this child's nose is not fine. Be tubo nini be ebimi. It means this child's nose is fine. Okay, our next word is mouth. What is mouth in Izon language? Mouth is bebe. Common phrases with bebe. Eni bebe fini. It means open your mouth. Eni bebe gba. Close your mouth. Mu eni bebe soro. It means go and wash your mouth. Mu eni bebe soro. It means go and wash your mouth. Okay? Now our next word. Lips. What is lips in Izon language? Lips is bebelndu. Common phrases with bebelndu. Beotu bebelndu belemio. It means these people's lips are alike. Our next word is teeth. What is teeth in Izon language? Teeth is aka. Common phrases with aka. Mu inaka soro means go and brush your teeth. Our next word is tongue. What is tongue in Izo language? Tongue is omolo. Common phrases with omolo. Eni omolo sor pamo. It means wash your tongue thoroughly or wash your tongue very well. Wash your tongue clean. Okay? Emene eni omolo uwinde. It means I have beaten my tongue. Now going down to our chin. What is chin in Izo language? Chin in Izo language is ikpe. Ikpe. Eni ikpe kwo. It means clean your chin. Now to cheek. What is cheek in Izo language? Cheek is angba. Angba. Now common phrases. Eni dubafa angbabe. I know you guys are probably wondering, like, I'm always saying eni dubafa, eni dubafa, eni dubafa. Those are the common phrases with these words, okay? Eni dubafa angbabe means with your big cheeks, like, you know, maybe like my own. You can say my cheeks are big to an extent, yeah. So you can say eni dubafa angbabe, okay? Our next word is ear. What is ear in Izo language? Ear is berry. Common phrases. Eni berry kwo. It means clean your ears. Meanwhile, some of us barely clean our ears. So if you are seeing this now and you're watching this and you've not cleaned your ears for some time, do well to clean your ears, okay? Mu eni berry kwo. It means go and clean your ears. Mu eni berry kwo. Go and clean your ears. Okay, eni berry koro. It means hold your ears. Our next word is neck. What is neck in Izo language? Neck is kon. Okay, kon. Neck is kon. Common phrase is kon. Aniere konbe daimi. It means that lady's neck is long. Aniere konbe daimi. It means that lady's neck is long. Or eni konbarasi. Maybe somebody is trying to strangle you or trying to hold your neck. You say eni konbarasi. It means leave my neck. Leave my neck. Eni konbarasi. Eni konbarasi. Leave my neck. Moving to hand. What is hand in Izo language? Hand is bara. Okay, common phrases with bara. Eni bara polo. It means clap your hands. Eni bara polo. Clap your hands. Eni bara ceremony. Raise your hand. Okay. Eni bara kwo. Clean your hands. Eni bara sorrow. Wash your hands. Eni bara kwo. Clean your hands. Eni bara sorrow. Wash your hands. So there is a difference between clean and wash. Clean is kwo. Then sorrow is wash. Okay. Our next word is fingers. What is finger in Izo language? Finger in Izo language is bara egbisa. Bara egbisa. So common phrases. Eni bara egbisabu naimi. It means my fingers are long. Next word. The next one is nails. Nails. What is nails in Izo language? Nails in Izo language is bara emimi. Okay, so now you know emimi is nails. Now common phrases bara emimi. Eni bara emimi bu pele. It means cut your nails. Eni bara emimi bu pele. It means cut your nails. Eni bara emimi bu pa. It means your fingernails are not clean. Alright, moving. Our next word is breast. What is breast in Izo language? Breast in Izo language is indo. 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 Common phrases with indo. Indo baket tubo pere. It means give the child breast. Like to nursing mothers. Maybe your child is crying and then somebody say, in pere. It means give the child breast. Same thing as feed the child. Okay? And in double pamini, it means you are growing breasts. Like your breast is coming out. Okay? What is stomach in Izon language? Biri. Biri is stomach in Izon language. Common phrases with biri. Eni biribe idomini. It means my stomach is hurting me. Maybe you're having a stomach ache or something. Eni biribe idomini. Eni biribe idomini. Okay? You can also say eni biribe zaolamoimi. It means my stomach is very small. In other words, my stomach is flat, like you have a flat stomach. Okay, moving to the next one. Navel or belly button. What is navel in Izon language? Ombu. Common phrases. Eni ombube swafade. It means my navel has gone inside. You know, some of us, our navels are not even visible anymore. Like, what is waist in Izon language? Waist is kunutu. Common phrases. Eni kunutu be edomini. It means my waist is hurting me. Like when you're having waist pain and all of that. Another word, eni kunutu ka kese. It means dance with your waist. You all know, as Ijaw women, we have a thing with our waist. So that is a very common word. Eni kunutu ka kese. It means dance with your waist. What is leg in Izon language? Leg is buo. Okay? Eni buo bukuo. It means clean your leg. Eni buo seri. It means remove your leg. Maybe you're stepping on something. So someone will say eni buo seri. It means remove your leg. Okay? What is knee in Izon language? Knee in Izon language is ingbele. 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 Okay? So common phrases with ingbele. Eni ingbele be kurola moimi. It means my knee is strong. For your knees are strong. Healthy. Okay? Let's move to the next one. What is toe in Izon language? Buwaing bisa. You guys know I gave you guys fingers. Baraing bisa. This one is buwaing bisa. Okay? So my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. I think, okay, let me give this to. What is penis in Izon language? Penis is ton. Then what is vagina in Izon language? It is beer. Okay? I purposely had to keep this two for last. Meanwhile, if I missed anybody parts, please do well to drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, I will tell you what the Izons call it. Okay, if you learned anything from this video, do well to give it a big thumbs up. Turn on your notification for more common phrases in Izon language, lifestyle vlogs, and other amazing things I do on my channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. With that, I'll say don't forget to laugh hard and love more.